Today, we are going to talk about the process of a tire. The manufacturing of a radial tire begins with a large amount of raw materials, such as pigments, chemicals, rubber, bell wire, fabric cores, and others. The process begins with mixing of a basic rubber processing oils, carbon blacks, pigments, antioxidants, and other additives, and each give a certain properties to the composite. These ingredients are united in a gigant mixer called Banbury, processing under intensive heat and pressure. They mix all ingredients in a single hot black stick that will be milled again and again.
After all components are mixed, the construction of the tire begins with a double layer of synthetic rubber called inner liner, which functions as a sealant preventing air from escaping and to the wheel to work without inner tube. Now, billet machines perform radial tires in a similar shape to its final form, to ensure that all the components are in a proper position before the tire passes through the mold. Now, after the tire is performed, the tire boiler adds the steel belts that resist punctures and hold the trim firmly against the road. The tread is the last part to go on the tire. After automatic rollers press all the parts firmly together, the tire, now called a green tire, is ready for curing and inspection. The curing press gives the tires their final shape and tread pattern. Hot molds shape and vulcanize the tire. The molds contain the tread pattern, the sidewall markings of the manufacturer and those required by law. Tires are cured at over 300 degrees to 12 to 25 minutes, depending on their size.
The last step, the inspection, isn't only superficial. Some tires are brought production to X-ray machines to detect weaknesses or internal failures. In addition, quality control engineers randomly choose tires, cut and study every detail of their construction that may affect its operation, handling or safety. This is how each of the parts comes together, the tread and sides supported by the frame and held to the rim by the strings of rubber-coated steel. Despite the details, the bases are essentially the same: steel, textile, rubber and hard work and careful design and engineering.